If CapCut keeps crashing or freezing on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help get it running smoothly again. This is especially useful if CapCut is lagging, closing unexpectedly, freezing during edits, or just becoming unusable while you're trying to work on your videos. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright? Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear CapCut's cache. Over time, cache files can build up and cause performance issues, so this is one of the easiest fixes to try first. Open CapCut, then go into Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Cache Size section. Once you find it, click the trash icon to clear the cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to freeze or crash. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to rebuild what it needs, and then test the app again to see if the issue is improved. If CapCut is still crashing or freezing, the next step is to update your graphics card drivers. This is very important because video editing apps rely heavily on GPU performance, and outdated drivers can absolutely cause instability. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open the GeForce Experience app or the newer NVIDIA app and check for driver updates. If an update is available, install it and restart your PC when the process is finished. If you use an AMD graphics card, open AMD Software Adrenalin Edition and look for the driver update section there. Download and install any available updates, then restart your computer. Keeping your graphics drivers current can make a huge difference in CapCut stability, especially on Windows 11. Now, if CapCut is still giving you trouble after that, the third thing to do is adjust the in-app performance settings. Open CapCut again and go back into Settings. This time, choose the Performance section. Here you'll see options related to hardware acceleration, including speed-up hardware encoding and decoding. Toggle both of these off, because while hardware acceleration can improve performance on some systems, on others it can actually cause freezing, crashing, or random glitches. After turning those options off, click Save to apply the changes. Then, close CapCut completely and reopen it to see if the problem is gone. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will fix the issue right away, but even if you had to try all of them, you've now covered the most common causes of CapCut crashing and freezing on Windows 11. Just to recap, clear the cache, update your graphics drivers, and adjust the performance settings inside CapCut. Those 3 steps solve a lot of stability problems without needing anything complicated. If this video helped you fix CapCut on your Windows 11 PC, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.